Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a baby in a ball. I said I wasn't going to buy these. This is my third?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. I don't know. They're just so tempting and fun. And then I see other people open them, and I think, oh, that one's really cute, and you don't know if you're getting it or if you're not. But let's see who I did get. I got the cutest little ones, and I actually got the top of the box on one. And I'm kind of been watching. Now, how do you open this? Well, here we go. Maybe. Yeah, here we go. Ah, I'm crippled here too. Oh boy. Darren, you can cut this part out. Okay. One thing I don't like about these balls, all the waste. I've always been very aware of the environment. I was raised like that in the 50s and 60s. My dad, oh my, he was big on not putting plastic in trash, and he hated paper diapers because that's all we need now is to wrap that baby up in plastic and throw it in the landfills. And he's right. But anyway, I got the ball open. Here's what's inside. What did I get? I'm gonna open the baby. Where is the baby? Oh no.
Did you maybe get the twins?
Maybe I got the twins. I did feel them a little bit, but last time I was fooled. Uh-oh. Here's a little bitty cap. Little bitty cap. Yeah, I think I did get the twins. Did I get, oh, the hand just
Guess you won't have to buy any more now.
my hand just won't grip. So I'm gonna build this tomorrow night on our live. Oh, last time I did not get my diaper, and now I got little twin outfits. Woo-hoo-hoo, I got the twins. Here are the instructions, I guess. Now that
What you didn't get.
what you didn't get list. Yeah, okay, that's the what you didn't get list. Let's see the babies. Ah, my hand. Oh, I got American Indian babies. How cool is that? Oh, little Blackfeet Indians. How cute are they? Oh, they're darling, and they got little bitty butts. Oh my goodness, these are silicone. How cute is that? All right, so I want to keep all this together, and I really can't open this. Forgive the struggling. Okay, this is more of my pram, and I'm going to not open that till tomorrow night, 6 p.m. on our channel. We go live. So come see the twins in their little pram and their little outfits. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, subscribe, and that's 6 p.m. Central right here on the Dolls Rescue Channel. Hey, subscribe. We play games and give prizes to subscribers in the lower 48 on Thursday nights.